Awesome morning kids. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. So kids, today I am going to teach you how to write small cursive letter N. Small cursive letter N. So kids, you can see a picture over here. Can you please tell me what is this? Yes? Tell me fast. You are right kids. This is a net. N for net. N for net. So kids, now we will see different formation of N with the help of this tool. So look over here kids. Tell me which is this one? Yes, this one is capital letter N. This one is capital letter N. Next one is small letter N. Next one is small letter N. Jump on the next one. Which one is this? This one is capital cursive letter N. This one is capital cursive letter N. Let's see the next one. This is small cursive letter N. Small cursive letter N. So today we are going to see this one, small cursive letter N. Kids, you can see few pictures below these formations. So let's see what are these pictures. The first one is nightingale. N for nightingale. N for nightingale. Come on the next one. Which is this picture? This is nail. N for nail. N for nail. Come on the next one kids. What is this? Yes, this is a net. N for nest. N for net. Come on the next one. Which is this one kids? Tell me fast. Yes, this is nest. N for nest. N for nest. So kids, these are few vocabularies you can use for small cursive letter N. Now, we will see how to write small cursive letter N in preset book. Open your page number 38. Do not forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. So kids, get ready and put your pencil over here on the first letter. So on page number 38, what you have to do kids, you have to see tracing of small cursive letter N. Tracing of small cursive letter N. So let's get started. Look over here kids, what you have to do, put your pencil on the third line, make a slanting line up, touch the second line, come down, touch the third line again, go up, make a curve touching the second line, come down and touch the third line and make a tail like this. Okay kids, this way you have to trace your small cursive letter N. Look again, slanting line up, touch the second line, come down, go up again, touch the second line, make a curve, come down and a tail like this. Okay kids? Now for the last time, from the third line, slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line again, go up, make a curve touching the second line, come down, touch the third line and a tail like this. So kids, this way you have to trace your small cursive letter N. Now come on the next page. What you have to do on next page, you have to write your small cursive letter N on single dot. So put your pencil on the third line, okay, and make a slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line again, go up, make a curve touching the second line and come down, touch the third line and go out like this. Okay kids? Let's see once again. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line, go up again, make a curve touching the second line, come down and go out like this. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line, go up, touching the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line and go out like this. Okay kids? Pay attention over here now. Let's see few more times. From the third line, slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, again go up, touching the second line, make a curve, come down and touch the third line and go out like this. Look over here kids. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line, again go up, make a curve touching the second line, come down and go out like this. Look over here for the last time. Slanting line up, touch the second line, make a curve, come down, touch the third line, again go up, make a curve touching the second line, come down kids and touch the third line and go out like this. Okay kids? So this way you have to make your small cursive letter N. Okay kids? On your page number 38 and 39 of your preset book. Okay? On page number 38 you have to do tracing of small cursive letter N. On page number 39, okay, and also kids you have to do your page number 34 and 35. So let's see on page number 34 what is given. On page number 34, circle the odd one out from each set of letters given. So what you have to do, here letters are written. In the first line you can see letters are written, all the letters are A except the one that is V. So what you have to do, you have to circle the letter V as it is the odd one from this line. All others are A. Similarly you have to do in other lines also. This way you have to complete your page number 34. Coming on page number 35 kids, what you have to do? Write the beginning letter of the picture in the space provided. So what you have to do in this one, you can see pictures on one side and you can see blank on the other side. So you have to write the initial letter of the picture. For an example, this is a cap. This is a cap. So the spelling of cap starts with C. So you have to write C in front of this cap in this blank. Okay. And the next one is egg. So you have to write E in front of this egg. So this way you have to complete your page number 35 kids. I hope you understood how to write small cursive letter N. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.